Hello, this is Evan Jocelyn with LaserPro's technical support, showing the troubleshooting process for an emerging issue on the HP M607-8 and 9 series, the 13.B2.D2 error code, or hand-in-hand with tray overfilled message. First, power off the printer and unplug the power cord and any data cables. Then remove the paper tray. Inspect the tray cavity and rear door and remove any jammed media. Open the roller access cover to inspect the positions of the pickup and separation rollers. We've had occurrences to where the separation roller has become unlocked. If so, slide it to the right until it locks into place. For viewing purposes, we have the machine set on its back. From this angle, you can double check that both rollers are secure. There are two other functions to inspect. When the tray is installed, it presses on two levers. On the left side, the roller engaging arm, and on the right side, the paper out sensor. If either of these two functions are inoperable, the paper pickup assembly will need to be replaced. You can find the part number in the description below. Reconnect the power and interface cables, power the unit on, and print a configuration page to ensure the unit is working correctly. For further instructions on how to replace the paper pickup assembly, contact our technical support team.
Thank you for watching. For more tech tip videos and other reference materials, go to laserpros.com and visit our technical resource section.